Zhang from SYI Intelligent Industry Technology Corporation Limited in China. We are a professional manufacturer specializing in the production of high-quality radio drilling machines with max drilling diameter from 50 to 125 mm. With years of expertise in the industry, we are committed to provide high-precision radio drilling machines that meet the diverse needs of our global clients. Our products are widely used in the industry, such as metalworking, construction, and machinery manufacturing, offering exceptional performance, durability, and reliability. This is the Z3050x16 hydraulic radio drilling machine. Will be exported to South Africa. The max drilling diameter is 50 mm, and the movement distance of the spindle box on the arm is 1,250 mm, and the spindle speed range is 25 to 2,000 rounds per minute, and the arm can rotate around the outer column plus or minus 180 degrees. The arm also has a lifting stroke of 580 mm. The clamping and shifting all be controlled by hydraulic system, so this machine is really easy to operate. Starting today, I will share more videos about the use and maintenance of the hydraulic radio drilling machine, explaining the working principle as well as the daily maintenance. If you have any problem about the use of this kind of hydraulic radio drilling machine, please feel free to connect with me. My WhatsApp ID is as below.